Welcome to the Department of Mechanical Engineering at MIT-ADT Design Technology University, Pune, where innovation meets engineering excellence, where ideas transform into intelligent technologies. At the Department of Mechanical Engineering, we prepare future-ready engineers through cutting-edge education, industry-oriented learning, and hands-on technical exposure. With centers of excellence in robotics and AI and e-mobility, students gain practical experience in emerging technologies shaping Industry 4.0. Equipped with advanced laboratories featuring ABB industrial robots, collaborative robots, Siemens PLC systems, EV powertrain setups, battery testing systems, and automation platforms. Our department provides a world-class learning ecosystem for innovation and research. The department offers specialized programs in electric vehicles engineering, focusing on next-generation mobility solutions and sustainable transportation technologies. A strong emphasis on project-based learning encourages students to transform innovative ideas into real-world engineering solutions. From autonomous agricultural robots and AI-powered drones, to Formula Bharat vehicles and intelligent automation systems, students actively design, develop, test, and innovate through practical engineering experiences. Through workshops, value-added certification programs, hackathons, and real-time technical training. Students develop multidisciplinary skills aligned with robotics, artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, automation, and smart manufacturing technologies. With strong collaborations with many leading industries, the department ensures excellent internship opportunities, skill enhancement programs, industry exposure, and career development support for students. Through international symposiums, technical events, research culture, and entrepreneurship initiatives, the department continuously empowers students to become leaders, innovators, and technocrats of tomorrow. With excellent placements, global collaborations, dedicated faculty, and state-of-the-art infrastructure, the Department of Mechanical Engineering stands committed to shaping globally competent engineers with strong moral and ethical values. Engineering innovation for a smarter future. Department offers B.Tech Mechanical Engineering, B.Tech Robotics and Artificial Intelligence, B.Tech Mechanical Engineering, specialization in electric vehicles, M.Tech Design Engineering, M.Tech Robotics and Automation, M.Tech Electric Vehicles. Join the future of engineering at MIT-ADT University, Pune.